Welcome, explorers! Today, Robby the robot and his best pal Pip the hoverpup are flying over a magical place, the Rainbow Jungle.
Look at all those colors, Pip. This place is amazing.
Woof woof, I want to sniff every color.
Oh no, a mysterious storm appears out of nowhere. Hang on tight!
Whoa! What just happened?
Robby, where did the colors go?
This is bad, Pip. The Rainbow Jungle is losing its magic.
The Rainbow Jungle needs your help. Robby and Pip must find 3 magical colors to bring it back to life. And you get to help! Adventurers at home shout, "Let's go! If you're ready to save the jungle!"
All right, team. Our first stop is the red tree.
The red tree has lost its color. To bring red back, we need your help.
We have to name something that's red.
Strawberries, fire trucks, tomatoes?
What red thing can you think of?
You said apple? That's a great one.
You did it. The red is back.
Woof hooray!
2 more colors to go. This is the Blue River, but it's dry and colorless.
Let's sing a magic color song to bring back the blue. B-L-U-E. Blue is fun for you and me.
B-L-U-E, sing louder. You're making it work.
Splashtastic!
Now that's the power of blue.
This field needs sunshine to bring back the yellow.
Let's warm it up with a happy sunshine dance. Wave your arms like sunbeams. Now spin like the sunshine and wiggle your fingers like twinkling light.
Yippee! Yellow is back!
You're the best sunshine dancers ever.
Red, blue, yellow, the magic colors are back. The Rainbow Jungle is saved.
You're an amazing explorer. We couldn't have done it without you.
What color do you love the most?
Say your favorite color out loud. 1, 2, 3, go!
Be sure to like and subscribe for more fun with me, Pip, and all our adventure friends.